Well, today you can, after watching this video, I promise you will be ready to create your own burger ad from scratch. Next 5 minutes, I'll tell you how to create this to this. It's a easy and simple process. Let's start the video. Then go to the Canva and select background, change color. As a background, use some small elements. Then add text one by one. I use those burger images created by AI. Add burger images and one text is unhide and all text is hide because I use those texts in other pages. Then duplicate this page. All element adjust it properly. Then you go and create next page. In using same step. And created one by one after this. And design last page like this. And add call to action like order now. And make a animation, then add animation. Then create page animation. I used match and move and apply animation all the pages. Then here we go. Your burger ad is ready. Now it's your turn to create your own burger ad. And hey, if you do, post it on Instagram and tag me. I'd love to see what you make. Like this idea, save this video, subscribe for more ad magic.